is the basis of all independence.
Hello YouTube, how you doing? I'm here live from the garden. Today and yesterday, me and my kids, we decided that we're going to build a chicken coop. And because we're going to get some new chickens, and I didn't feel like going to order it online and having to wait for them to deliver it like we did with the last one. So we just went ahead and decided to go to Home Depot and get some supplies and bring it back home and kind of wing it. And you know, the process was, you know, the kids, I had them draw out a diagram from what they wanted the chicken coop to look like, and I drew my diagram and kind of put our heads together, and then we came up with an idea, and then we went over to Home Depot and actually purchased the material that we needed, that we think that we needed, and we brought everything back home, and then we started working on it.
Chicken, chicken, chicken heads, chicken, chicken, chicken heads, chicken, chicken, chicken heads, chicken, chicken, chicken heads. Bald head, scallywag, ain't got no hair in bag, jailed up, beat up, your hair is messed up, need to get bout, a hustle mission, get up on loop, run to beautician, run game until the game is gravy, that don't mean spin, she like a baby, on the stalk for a bootleg, put it walk, give it out head, ain't a thing, eat a chicken wing, got some gold teeth at the club, try to shake that thing, try to get a piece, chicken, always, into some dumbs, should've paid your light bill, you bought an outfit, stay at your mammy house, and keep a smart mouth, it's Project Pat, Memphis 10 represents the South, so pass the JoJo, and we gon' stay kicking, full of that mo-mo, holla at a chicken, chicken, chicken heads, chicken, chicken heads, chicken, chicken heads, chicken heads.
Yeah, you like my outfit, don't even fake the deal. I thought you said you had your girl on the light bill.
Always in my face, talking this and that. Girl, I had to buy some rims for the Cadillac.
You ride clean, but your gas tank is on D. Be stepping out, ain't got no decent shoes on your feet.
That's just the meter, bro. You don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, them new Jordans finna come out.
Hate to see you in the club, you mobbing with a mug. Knowing that you riding with your boy, you nothing but a scrub.
But he was with me, that's when you hated. Cause when I got up on your friend, you damn near fainted.
I sure did in our face, drinking on the yak. Not full of goals, but your ass need some Tic Tacs.
What you need some gum, breath like some thunder. What you looking at? I don't want your phone number.
Oh, please, whatever.
Chicken heads, chicken heads.
And the kids, they assisted me the whole way through. They even had some ideas in building the chicken coop. One of the things we had to make sure of, we wanted to make sure that there was actually a section there for layers. All right, so the chickens can actually lay their eggs. Now, for example, right here, we wanted to build this compartment for the chickens to lay their eggs. So this was essential for the chicken coop, because if the chickens don't have a place to go to call home, or to roost, or to lay their eggs, you know, and you leave them confined to a space, they're going to be less inclined to lay the eggs if they can't find that one secret space where they have their privacy. So we built that thing right here, which opens and closes just like the other one we had in the back. We kind of based this model off of the chicken coop that we have already, that we ordered online. As you can see here, we got the little hinges, screwed them in here and here to make sure that this thing opens and closes properly. We have a divider in between the layer section, so 2 chickens could lay at a time if they wanted to, and they'll still have their own privacy, like a bathroom stall kind of thing, you see. Look over here to this side, we put in a door. All right, so, and we have a little latch on the door here. Open it, see, like there. chickens can come out, close it, put the latch back on, and then the chickens won't be able to come out, all right? And nothing will be able to get in either. And so we have that, and also, and putting the door in, I wanted to make sure that the thing just doesn't swing open and close. So I put one of these little stoppers here to make sure the door just doesn't swing open and close. We kind of, when we first put it in, it was a little slanted, and so the door was kind of like propped open a little bit, and the latch wouldn't go on properly if you kept it like that. So it took a while to take the nail out and put this thing in the right way, but we ended up eventually doing it. And by the way, this is my first time building a chicken coop or anything like this. So I built garden beds in the back I've been doing that for a couple of years, but I've never been the handy kind of guy. But I'm working on it. And then over here you have the on this side and all around most of the sides, I bought this little wiring thing here in Home Depot, and I forget how many feet it is, but it's a lot of feet, but I just use a small portion of it, a small portion of the roll, and I just nailed in the different parts here. I could put more nails if I wanted to. Right now I don't think the chickens are going to burst out of this thing, so I don't think I need too many nails right now, or I don't think anything's going to really try to burst into it either. We do have a coyote that comes around here every now and then, but the wires on the chicken coop that we have in the backyard already aren't much stronger than this one, so I don't think that we need anything stronger than that to make it work. But yep, there it is. There's the final product of the chicken coop. I'm gonna go get the chickens tomorrow and put them in here. They got a little play area here, right there, and I'm gonna go get the chickens tomorrow, and we'll get this thing going. But there it is. And remember, guys, the revolution will never ever be pesticides.
Land is the basis of all independence.
Chicken, chicken, chicken heads. Chicken, chicken,